But first tonight, the family of a contractor who died after cleaning a grease trap at Austin Bergstrom International Airport plans to sue the city of Austin over his death.
Back in April, Lonnie Deary suffocated from toxic gases in an underground vault containing that grease trap. KXAN investigator Kevin Clark explains why he shouldn't have been down there in the first place.
The morning of April 10th, Lonnie Deary was trapped underground for nearly 30 minutes. Unconscious and overcome by toxic gases, the Army veteran died in the hospital the next day.
The loss of a life it's terrible on that family.
Deary was cleaning a grease trap for Liquid Environmental Solutions, a City of Austin contractor. The job was at ABIA's East Loading Dock in an underground vault which contained toxic gases. Airport employees said Deary complained he couldn't breathe and passed out. His autopsy report says he suffocated from hydrogen sulfide.
The oxygen level's 8.1%. That's a hazardous atmosphere. It's very dangerous.
Oscar Zamarone of Z-Tech Safety says these kind of dangers are common in permit-required confined spaces, and companies that go in them need special training. That means checking for hazardous gases, airing out those fumes, and using a harness to help workers in and out. But KXAN investigators obtained internal emails from Austin Airport management that said Liquid Environmental Solutions was not confined space trained.
All that training has to take place before they actually go in there. They need to understand the dangers.
We don't know why Lonnie Deary was in the grease trap area without proper training. Liquid Environmental Solutions declined to answer our questions because of the ongoing OSHA investigation. But emails show the city of Austin knew how dangerous the area could be. When the grease trap was designed, airport management in 2014 acknowledged the limited access and potentially explosive gases. Just days after Deary's tragic death, emails show ABIA workers were instructed to place warning signs at the vault and other airport locations. Management said this unfortunate accident would be an opportunity to train and better educate staff.
Unfortunately, then these situations occur where we just get a wake-up call. And unfortunately, somebody pays that price, and it's a huge price to pay for that mistake.
Local governments like the City of Austin aren't required to obey OSHA regulations. ABIA employees declined our interview request because of the investigation. But Zamarone compares not following confined space rules to speeding. It's only a matter of time before something tragic happens.
Worst case is if I'm speeding and I get in an accident and get somebody else hurt or killed. In a confined space, they're taking that chance.
Now, according to the reports we obtained, the initial group of firefighters and paramedics who responded to the scene were sent to the wrong location. They were dispatched from Fire Station 42, which is just down the road from the airport. EMS tells me part of the reason for the delay was that group had to wait for security to open an airport gate. A commissioner with the Airport Advisory Committee has sent a letter to airport management asking for an explanation on what happened at its next meeting. That's next Tuesday, and you can expect us to be there and follow up on this. Robert?
Kevin, thank you. This investigation began with a tip. If you have an idea you want KXAN investigators to look into, let us know about it and report it at KXAN.com.